Hey, morning. Eric P here. Anyways, how's things going? Another week, another fun. Today, bull bikes. Very rare in Singapore. I think there are only 2 or 3. Even in the world, it's very rare. This one is the Unplugged Volume 2. Relatively new, size medium, blue in color, quite tricked out parts as well. Got it maybe 6 months ago. A friend of mine, not mine, a friend of mine. It's sexy, it's nice, it's rare. That's the most important thing. So we'll go into the bike check and let's see what you think about it. Ew. So now you get to see the full bike. Yeah. 29er, size medium, tricked out parts. Blue is the color of choice of the owner. As usual, let's tackle it bit by bit. I'll try to be very specific and very part orientated today. Let's see if I can do it. So let's start from the grips. These are ergons, and after which your brakes are the sexy XTs. Right old bling over there. There you go. Second hand. This is, I think, a switch for the rear shock. You won't be able to see the rear shock. E13s, I think one component's there. Super cas. A lot of us are using super cas here. Dropper is a wolf tooth lever, and then as you can see the shock, it's a 36, but this one has the custom decal on it. Chris King in the house. Yeah boy, Chris King. And then we are using the VR1. Bit of customized bling there again. VR1 carbons. Meaning DHF tires in front. And then your crank is the 6C race face again. We love our 6Cs here in Singapore. These are the DMRs, if I'm not mistaken, but this one is with the titanium spindle. So inside, that's where all the magic happens. Here, inside, protected rear shock. I don't know what this one is, but it's well kept, so people think it's either a hardtail or an e-bike, because the BB section is quite fat as well. There you go. Wolf tooth chainring, XX1s, AXX rear cassette, AXX chain. Again, Minions DHR this times. XT dual pots because the owner is skinny and scrawny and small as fuck. I'm sorry, small. Race face turbine. Fabric saddle. Super cas stem cap. So overall, I think this bike weighs about 14 kilos on a size medium. It's quite light if you ask me, based on the build and the size of the bike itself. Different type of molding, if I'm not wrong. Very unique. So very quick bike check today. Let us know what you think. Subscribe if you want, and tune in for more bike checks here in Singapore. You.